So what's up?
These are the employees of Supportworks.
How's my hair?
Rather than creating some fancy scripted video about our culture, we thought we'd let them tell you about it themselves.
Yeah, good luck.
Are you asking me the same questions you asked everybody else?
First, they'll tell you how Supportworks really caught their attention when they were looking for a new job.
I didn't know what Supportworks was. I thought I was applying for a job at Thrasher.
I applied at Foundation Supportworks. You're like, what the heck is this?
I didn't know anything about what we did when I started here.
We're a repair company. What do you guys do again? And we're like, we're Supportworks. We're cool.
Okay, we'll handle this part. Supportworks grew from the Thrasher waterproofing and foundation repair business, started by Greg and Nancy Thrasher in 1975. It wasn't long until their kids were a big part of the family business.
What we really saw a need for was a company that would not only supply the products, but would help teach contractors how to run a good business.
We exist to redefine our industry by helping contractors like these build great businesses, which is probably why they're so happy. Supportworks has grown quite a bit since its early days, but it still feels like a family.
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 Big family.
We treat each other like family. It's like having a giant family reunion, but it's like a good family reunion.
You gotta love your family. Well, you don't have to, but I do in my case.
You get the picture, right? So, what does the Supportworks family stand for?
We've got 4 core values: one team, humble heart, hungry spirit, and we want to be people smart.
When we talk about redefining our industry, we can't do it alone.
We take ownership of things.
Everybody has the right ambition here.
Everyone has your back.
What I'm doing is for the greater good.
Working together. Raising each other up together.
Pretension sucks, right?
No job is beneath anyone.
Really have just the truest, purest intentions at heart.
To be able to change once you understand that maybe your way wasn't the best way.
You're comfortable with what you don't know.
You don't want a bunch of people that think more of themselves than anybody else does.
Hungry spirit is our ability to never let down.
Let's do whatever it takes.
There is no taking plays off.
We want people here that are motivated and hungry.
You just kind of want to get done. It doesn't matter what it is or where it lies on a job description.
Breaking those barriers down and just making stuff happen.
We certainly value IQ, but at the same time, what really matters is that emotional intelligence or that EQ.
It's not only being self-aware, but also being a study of others.
You're not getting the veiled mask of what they want you to think they are. You're getting them, genuine, authentic person.
This is really about not being a jerk at work. You know that guy or gal at work that you dread running into? That person does not exist here.
So, assuming you're not one of those dreadful people, why would you want to work at Supportworks?
We want to have a place where you can be yourself and you can be proud of that, but that just know at the end of the day, we're going to work really hard together and we're going to try to win.
If you have that sense of adventure, then you're going to fit right in.
You're going to be challenged, and you're going to be stronger, and you're going to be better because of it.
People here are awesome.
I'm just like, what?
There's no shitty bosses, and that the people that you work with are going to be just as amped about the work as you are.
They're gonna have to kick me out because I'm not going anywhere.
It's like coming home every day.
It sounded too good to be true, but it's pretty darn good, after you get here.
We don't know where this thing's gonna go, but we know it's gonna be huge and it's gonna be great.
You're allowed to think and do, and therefore the things that you are working on are very personal.
It's a great responsibility and a great power, like Spider-Man.
This place has taken it to a whole new level for me.
I can't thank this place enough for the person that it's helped me become.
This place has made me better all the way around. It's made me a better professional.
They have always seen more in me than I've seen.
It's made me a better husband. It's made me a better father.
If you're looking for a place to grow yourself and a fun family type environment to do it in, this is the place.
No. Are we done?
That's it.
Sweet.
Yep.